सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल टेक्निकल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस की अपडेट सबसे पहले पाने के लिए।
An iPhone unboxing. I sent my dad and brother to the iPhone store, to the Apple store, and I was like, yo, you guys, you gotta get in line for this. And like, you guys, I am so pumped to unbox this. I'm not gonna waste time to do the intro, although I already wasted a lot of time. But you know what? While you're at it, subscribe, thumbs up, comment. But anyways, without any further ado, I am so pumped. I should not be throwing a new iPhone, but I am. So let's do it.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in you.
Alrighty, so first of all, we gotta take the plastic off. So you might be like, you know how some of those iPhone boxes are like really hard to get the phone out of? This box like glides so easy. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, the anticipation was great. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's right here. This is the iPhone. Look at it, you guys. This is the iPhone. I don't want it to fall, so I'm gonna put my hand in it. But look at it. Look at this is the iPhone. Okay, look. It's like, it's right here. I'm holding it. Okay, I did not drop it. I just dropped this little thingy, but that doesn't matter. We're not gonna get to the phone just yet. We're gonna check out the other things in the box. So this is a little outlet plug. This is some headphones with the converter, and this is also the USB thing, which also it does have wireless charging, but it doesn't come with that. You have to buy that separately. Now let's check out the phone. I'm like so excited for this. Alrighty, so first things first. Wow, that is gorgeous. It's like, I don't know if you can see my camera in it, but it is like literally like kind of like a mirror, which is very. Now the front actually doesn't look different. I have this is my 7, normal 7 here. The front doesn't look different. The camera is obvious different. Still the same cords, no headphone jacks. Nothing's really different. Chrome on the outside, I will say, is prettybond.com. So this is the silver color, and I love it. Wait a second, there's no home button. I just realized that. I went to go click a home button, and there isn't one. Wow, that's weird. Okay, let's turn it on. Anticipation! Alright, no, I think we gotta like hold it down. Alright, oh my god, I cannot wait to see the full screen. Oh my god, this is gonna be epic. Oh, it's here! Oh my god, that screen, just look at this. I will say my wallpaper is better on this phone, but wow, this screen is amazing. And honestly, like, it's not as big as I thought it was gonna be. Like, I thought it was gonna be like the size of the Plus. I will say I think it's a little bit smaller than the Plus. What do I do? That. Okay, so I don't know if you saw what I just did. I just went like that. That was very confusing. Okay, English. I'm gonna like kind of set this phone up. Oh, but while I'm doing this, the one thing that I will say is definitely different is the back is glass too, so you can actually crack the back, which I don't know if I like because I feel like I crack the front way too often, but hey, I think it's pretty cool. Like this screen, I will say it's unbelievable. It is huge. It's gonna be very good for watching Grey's Anatomy. I'm excited to see how actually the camera is. That's like a technical thing, but I'm kind of excited. Alrighty, so a Face ID. This is probably the biggest feature that is different. It has Face ID, which I think is really, really cool. All right, so we're gonna set up Face ID. I think it'll be pretty cool. All right, so position your face in the camera frame and move your head in a circle to show all angles of your face. I'm gonna go this way so you guys can see what's going on, okay? And you're supposed to go like this so you can see all the angles. Oh my God, scan complete already? Oh. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Okay. This is cool. That is cool! So swipe to get started. Wow! So I think the first thing that I want to check out is the Face ID. I want to see if that thing actually works. So as you can tell, if I go here and I try to go here, I have Face ID or I have the passcode. But let's try the Face ID. All right, that's not what you do. I think you maybe swipe up and then it says Face. Whoa! No way! Whoa, did you just see that? Ready? Watch this. What? That is so cool. So the Face ID works, and that is awesome. This iPhone is so cool. Honestly, I'm gonna be real honest. I can't really tell a difference with the camera. I don't know. It may just be me, but there's not really a difference to me. It is very clear and very good. I would assume it's just as good as like the camera that I'm filming on right now. Selfie camera is actually pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. I will just say though, in general, this phone is a lot cooler. It's like when they went from like the 4 to the 5, it just had like a big drastic change. Screen change, back change, Face ID, which is amazing. I mean, seriously, check this out. So you go like here, and it literally saw my face. The home button's obviously different, and of course to the wireless charging. Those all are very cool, amazing features that I will say I love about this phone. The one thing that I didn't get is how to like close up the apps, but I will say that is very cool. I mean, literally if I go like this and I go like that, it's like my phone's like, that's crazy to me. This phone is wow. This is very cool. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me do more unboxings.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul.